In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update a preset in DaVinci Resolve. If you've already created or selected a render preset and then made some changes that you want to keep for future exports, updating that preset is a quick and useful step. This helps save time later because instead of adjusting the same settings over and over again, you can simply reuse the updated version of your preset whenever you need it. To begin, go to the Deliver page in DaVinci Resolve. This is the section where you manage your export settings, including format, codec, resolution, file location, and other delivery options. If you've made adjustments to any of those settings and you want those changes to become part of an existing preset, make sure those changes are already in place before moving on. Once you're on the Deliver page and your updated settings are ready, look toward the top right area of the Render Settings panel. There you'll find the three-dot icon, which opens a small menu with additional preset options. Click that three-dot icon to continue. After the menu opens, find the name of the preset you want to update. When you hover over that preset name, another option should appear. From there, click Update Preset. This tells DaVinci Resolve to replace the old version of that preset with the current settings you've just configured. That's all you need to do. Your preset is now updated, and the next time you use it, it should load with the new settings you saved. This is especially helpful if you regularly export for the same platform, client type, or project format, and want consistency across multiple videos. One important thing to keep in mind is that updating a preset will overwrite its previous settings. So, before clicking Update Preset, it's a good idea to quickly double-check that everything in your current export setup is exactly how you want it. That way you avoid accidentally saving changes you didn't mean to keep. Using presets properly can make your workflow much smoother, especially when you're handling repeated exports. And once you know where this option is, updating presets becomes a very fast part of your editing process. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to update a preset in DaVinci Resolve.